Good morning, ma'am. Please come in and have a seat. How can I help you today?
Good morning, doctor. I've been feeling very tired and weak for the last 2 weeks. I also get small headaches almost every day.
I see. Do you have any fever, cold, or body pain?
No fever, but sometimes I feel a little dizzy, especially in the morning.
Are you sleeping well at night?
Not really. I sleep late because of work, and I wake up early, maybe only 5 hours.
That can definitely affect your energy levels. What about your eating habits? Are you eating regular meals?
I usually skip breakfast. I drink only coffee, and then have lunch around 2 p.m.
Skipping breakfast and too much caffeine can cause weakness and headaches. Do you have any allergies or medical history that I should know?
No allergies. I had low iron a few years ago, but it got better.
Okay. I would like to do a basic blood test to check your iron levels, vitamin levels, and overall health. It will help us understand the exact reason for your tiredness.
Sure, doctor. Is it serious?
Nothing to worry about for now. Many people feel this way because of stress, poor sleep, and irregular meals. But we should check your blood to be safe.
That makes sense. What should I do until the test results come?
Drink enough water. Eat 3 proper meals, include fruits and leafy vegetables, and try to sleep at least 7 hours. Reduce coffee to 1 cup a day.
All right, doctor. I'll follow that. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome, Emily. Please come back in 2 days with the test report.